Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to customize PayPal buttons. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted with a screen like this. Of course, alternatively, you can go and download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Then after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the official, as you can see, we have the home screen, the send button, we have the wallet, activity and help, and we have some other options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and customize PayPal buttons. First of all, you need to go to the PayPal button page. And when you're on the button page, click the view saved buttons and select the button you want to edit. Then click edit and change the button information. And after you click edit and change the button information, click the update saved button or save changes. Alternatively, you can create a new button by going to the PayPal button page, choosing pricing, entering product details and selecting build it. You can also add a PayPal button to your website by following these steps. Of course, create a PayPal business account, log in, go to App Center, click PayPal checkout, choose a way to integrate, customize button details and style, and copy the code to paste on your website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.